So for an introduction to the speed function, you know, I'm always thinking about the things that you would normally steam. So for example, if you had a steamer, you'd normally do fish, vegetables, maybe some potatoes, maybe some chicken breast or something like that. And what I have left from the shoot is I've actually got some fish fillets, some baza, and it's really good for quickly steaming using the Speedi or the Ninja 15-in-1 or another one, depending on which machine you have. It's just we already have this one out, so it's just easy. And then you can do it in the lower position or the higher position, depending on how you like it. And then what you do when you're steaming in these gadgets is, of course, you need the liquid for it to steam. So we always start with a cup, which is 240 ml of cold water into the bottom of your cooking pot. And the reason why it's cold is because if it's hot, it will be quicker going to the preheating and it won't be properly cooked. So you need that time of it warming up the water for it to happen. And then, like I said, I'm using the Speedi. So what I've got is I've got this, and it's like a crisp plate. And if you push the bottoms under, then it will go in the lower position, which is better for steaming. So push it down, make sure it's in place, and then we can get going with this recipe. You can cook the fish directly in here, or you can use a foil tray if you prefer, or you can use a paper line. All of those actually work well for steaming as well. But I'm just going to put it in directly. So I've got 4 fillets here. I'm not sure how many I'm going to do actually. Just got some spare ones. You know, any fish fillets you can cook using this method. Pop it in like that. I'm just going to do 2 because 2 perfectly fit. And then I love some lemon with my fish. So if you want to slice up some lemon to add on top. I've got 1 lemon there for slicing. So of course with fish you want plenty of salt and pepper. So I'm giving it a good sprinkling of salt on top. And then you can also add a little bit of pepper, but you don't need as much as you do salt. I don't want to end up with it too peppery. And then also some parsley. And then add your lemon around your fish. And then I'm adding a couple more slices. And then, let's get rid of that pip. Some lemon juice on top. And then you're ready to steam your fish. So like I say, this applies to any white fish here, maybe a minute or 2 longer for some other cuts, depending on how thick the fillet is. So turn it on, and you're looking for the steam section in rapid cooker. And then you're looking for a cooking time of 5 minutes and then press start. This recipe is made using leftover ingredients from the photo shoot of our brand new cookbook, the Complete Multi-Cooker Cookbook. What I love most is when the photo shoot is over with, is to take the spare ingredients home and make lots of different recipes with it. I kind of think of it like doing a modern version in the multi-cooker of Ready Steady Cook. So if you were interested, the cookbook is available to buy now. It's called the Complete Multi-Cooker Cookbook. Simply search by its name or search Multi-Cooker Salmon Dom for full details. And it's really nice for me to be able to come back and give you a behind the scenes look of ingredients and what we've used in the making of this great cookbook. So now, shall we get back to the food? And we've beeped, so shall we check on it? There'll be a lot of steam at the moment, but you can have a look. Oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look lovely? And you know, it's just a quick way to steam it. I'm just going to wait for it to cool down a bit and then I can give you a proper view. Cool it for a little while just so that you can see what it looks like. Oh wow, this is perfectly cooked fish. I mean, oh, just look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Get it onto the chopping board, and as you can see, you've got a bit of a mess in there. So what you can also do is you can actually do it in a tray instead if you prefer. Oh wow, check that out. Doesn't that look fantastic? So that's just how easy it is just to steam some fish for lunch. If you just want some quick fish, using these multi-cookers. My favourite method is steam, or if you prefer some texture to it, you can also grill it as well. So that's what I would consider to be one of the great mini steps to do with the steamer, and there's just so much other things you can steam, so check out the next video for more. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end, and of course that must mean that you like our videos, so why not also follow us on social media. You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one, and you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week, and we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks, and we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.